everyone, and welcome back to The Authentic Thread, your go-to channel for everything footwear, apparel, and performance gear. This week, we've got something really cool lined up, a collaboration that is making headlines in the functional fitness gear space, and really looking forward to kind of sharing that with you this week. So let's jump right into it. So first we have the shoes. Picked up the Puma's Deviate Nitro 3s in a size 8 that do fit well and true to size. So I would order your normal size in that. So let's jump right into the shoe. All right, so the first pieces that we're going to be reviewing are the Puma Low Crew Sock 6-pack for women. Is designed for all-day comfort and versatility. It's made from a soft and breathable fabric blend. These socks provide a stretchy and comfortable fit that moves with you. The Low Crew Sock is $18 for the 6-pack, and you guys should definitely pick them up as my feet do stay very, very dry. And by the end of the day, my feet feel fantastic. So next, we have the Hyrox Men's Ultra Weave shorts are designed to maximize performance and comfort during intense workouts. Crafted from Puma's Ultra Weave fabric, these shorts are incredibly lightweight and stretchy, providing unrestricted movement for sprints, squats, and functional fitness exercises. The moisture-wicking technology ensures sweat is quickly drawn away from the skin, keeping you dry and comfortable even during high-intensity training. With a tailored fit and an elastic waistband, these shorts offer a secure and comfortable feel that moves with you. Featuring a clean, minimal design and subtle Hyrox branding, the Ultra Weave shorts seamlessly combine functionality and style, making them the perfect choice for both gym sessions and casual wear. I hope you guys can get your hands on a pair of these. Next up, we have the Hyrox Cloudspun tank. Is designed for comfort and performance. It's made with Puma's Cloudspun fabric. It is super soft, stretchy, and feels like cotton while offering technical performance. The material is lightweight, breathable, and wicks sweat to keep you dry during intense workouts. With a sleeveless design, it gives you a full range of motion for exercise like lifting, running, or functional training. The sleek, minimalist look with subtle Hyrox branding makes it perfect for both gym sessions and casual wear. It's a versatile tank that blends style, comfort, and functionality seamlessly. So the Hyrox Crew is designed for athletes who value comfort and performance. It's made from a soft, breathable fabric blend. It delivers lightweight warmth while remaining flexible for all-day wear. The moisture-wicking material keeps you dry, making it perfect for warming up, cooling down, or casual wear. With a classic crew neck design and a relaxed fit, it's easy to layer over workout gear or style for everyday outfits. The minimalistic Hyrox branding adds a clean, modern look, making this hoodie a versatile addition to any fitness or casual wardrobe. And this is the fit. Starting with the Deviate Nitro 3 with the Hyrox subtle branding. The Ultra Weave short. The Crew hoodie. And last but not least, tank.